You're live.
Hey, good evening, everyone. It is Tuesday night, December 8th, and we are live again.
I think we were live a few minutes ago, but all I saw was the chair.
Yeah, I think there was a little mishap, a little happy finger button hit me there. Anyway, so we're live. I got a couple questions. I got some SCOTD.
Okay, before you start that, ask him about your microphone.
Oh yeah. So I have been looking at a couple of our videos, and we've been having some sound issues lately. The sound, we've got our new microphone set up, but we decided to, rather than Vicky have a microphone and I have a microphone, we decided to just hook up one single microphone on me tonight. So give us some feedback and let us know what the sound is like, because I watched a video the other day. It was a replay of one of our Facebook Lives, and it was like the external microphones weren't working at all. It was almost like it was just the microphone off the phone itself.
That's right by your mic.
This is?
Yes.
Is this too loud on the mic? Oh, so now I can't play with my spinner. Is that
How's
what you're
the
saying?
sound, you guys? Ask how the sound. I don't know if that they're hearing it.
Yes. So, can you guys hear me? Okay. We need to get some feedback on what our sound is like.
Sound is great.
That's one positive. Good. Glad to hear it. All right. Well, do you want to try the
See,
other
Cheryl
microphone?
said still not great sound.
Oh.
Very low sound on Eric.
Uh-oh. One good.
All
two
right,
bad.
hold on. How's that? Any better? Ask.
Okay, so how's the sound now? We're doing a audio test. So tell us how the sound is right now. So I should keep jabbering about something so you guys can hear me, hopefully.
Same kind of thing.
So still
Yeah. I don't know what else to do.
okay. So I don't know.
Vicky's always loud. I'm right next to the phone, so it must be coming through the sound on the phone. Anyway,
So
just go.
maybe this is not
Some
even-
say good, some say sucks. Bob Boyle says sound sucks.
Okay. Tell us what you really think.
Yeah,
Bob.
don't hold back there, Bob.
Anyway, so I will speak up then. I'll modulate a little bit more, which I can do. That's not a problem. And we'll keep struggling with this sound thing. I don't know, our old ones seem to be working better than this, but this is a brand new external sound.
The mic is on him.
Yeah, see, I'm wearing the mic right here.
Unless he sticks it up his nose, there's no other way we're going to do it.
I'm wearing the mic, so, but if the mic isn't working, then it's the phone microphone. So, babe, you want to unplug that phone microphone?
No, just do it. No, not right now.
Okay, all right, you guys, we're going to struggle through, so I will talk up. Hopefully, you guys can modulate up your video on your end, and I will try to get through this as loudly as I can. So, we got a couple questions tonight, actually both from John, and these are actually pretty simple, pretty fast, but one of them I haven't gone over in a long time. So John asked, on your router, and I think John's fairly new because he hadn't heard me say this before, almost all of the routers have a variable speed these days. A few of them don't, but most of them that I use do. And he was asking, how do I know what speed to run the router? Well, I always run my router, if I'm carving signs, I always run my router full speed. So the only time that I don't run my router full speed, and that's with a small router, small trim router, or the big router. The only time I don't run my router full speed is when I'm cutting something other than wood. That's one instance, like I'm cutting acrylic or plastic or something like that. or metal, but I don't cut metal. Then I will slow that spindle speed down. But I always keep it, I pretty much always keep it at the highest speed. Or if, what did I do with that thing? Or if I've got my big router and I'm using this in my router sled. It's a big 1/2-inch cutter, 2 inches wide, and I'm taking a 2-inch, basically a 2-inch swath of wood at a time. And you can see that on any of the videos that we've done where we've got the router sled and we're flattening some slabs and that kind of stuff. This, I think if I remember right, they said to run this about 18,000 to 20,000 RPMs. I don't know. I've got it written down on the actual case that this came in. But I will slow down my big router if I'm using this. But other than that, if just general purpose carving signs, I'm running my routers full speed. So I hope that answers that. All right, second question. What diamond grinding wheel do you use or recommend for sharpening? So here's the thing. This is kind of a, you guys, if you've gone back and watched videos where we're sharpening our carbide cutters, and we sharpen cutters for premium members, we have a diamond wheel. We actually have 2 different grinders with 2 different diamond wheels on them. And if you want to see those videos, that's LTS 82717 or number 164 or number 8. You'll see 2 different grinders there, 2 different grinding wheels. Anyway, we bought both of those wheels. We bought probably 25 years ago at least, maybe 30 years ago, and we still use them all the time. So like they never go bad. But those companies, we can't seem to find those companies anymore. So I got a catalog a while back from this company, GRS. This is obviously a 2019-2020 catalog. And GRS, I've heard good things about this company, and they do have diamond grinding wheels. So if you contact them, grs.com, and then their phone number, assuming it's still working, I'm assuming it is, 800-835-3519, then you can find out, you ask what grinding wheel we use. We just use, back in those days, it was just fine and coarse and medium. So we just use the finest one that we could get at the time, and that's what we recommend, because you want that edge. You're not doing any, if you're sharpening our cutters, our carbide cutters, and you definitely want to go watch these videos too, because you can mess them up pretty easily. I've done that. So, but you want a really fine grit. So just as fine a grit as you can get, extra fine or fine. And then you will need to buy the wheel that matches your bench grinder, whether it's whatever size the arbor is that it fits on, and then if it's a 5-inch grinding wheel or a 6-inch grinder, whatever. You just need to buy the wheel that matches your grinder.
Matt asked a quick question. Hold on here.
Yeah.
He said, someone asked me, but I didn't know. When you sharpen the carving liner, will it be fatter?
Not for a while. It'll take probably, I've sharpened those many times, and it'll probably take 3 or 4 different sharpenings before it starts getting wider. All I do literally is just touch the edge the first 2 or 3 times. So it won't, it's not quite like the profile bit in that sense. It won't cut wider for a while. It'll still stay fairly narrow, at least for the first few sharpenings. So again, go watch those videos. LTS 828/27/17, video number 164 and video number 8, and that will give you an idea of of what Dad does some sharpening on all of those. And that LTS one is really very comprehensive. He goes into some tool geometry and different things that I think will be helpful if you guys are interested in sharpening your own cutters. Okay, that's the 2 questions basically. Thursday's video will be, which I've got tomorrow's video, Wednesday's video will be on basswood. My thoughts on carving basswood and some other stuff too. And then Thursday's video will be on the lights on the routers, the little fairy lights I use. So let's move on to sign carvers of the day. Got 5 of them here, really good ones. First up, Tessa. I think Tessa was telling us about
she's
this
here.
the other day.
She did such a good job on that
She
sign.
did an amazing job. So this is 6 foot long, live edge pine. She used the profile bit and the 90. Tessa, awesome job. Just beautiful. Great job. Michael Higgins. So this one is really cool. It's got kind of an old weathered look to it. So I looked up INRI, I-N-R-I. I think I'm saying that right. And that the meaning of that is Jesus of Nazarene, King of the Jews, which I did not know. But I Googled it and I found out. Great job, Michael. I love it. Looks terrific. Now this one I had to print out twice. So I want to show you this sign. This is Wally Ostrowski, I think. This is made out of a 6-foot Captula slab. And I think that's some kind of wood. He glued up 3-inch thick pieces. This is 2-sided, 33-inch diameter. Used a profile, a flat bottom bit, and our base plate. The eagle and the wings carved with a chisel and grinders. This sign is for his son and daughter-in-law who runs a martial arts science academy in Sandusky, Michigan. Wally is an extensive woodworker with lots of experience building toys, cabinets, furniture, doors, etc. But I also I was so impressed by this sign. And this is his first official sign, by the way. I was so impressed with it, I had to blow it up.
Hold on, let me.
It just is amazing.
I'm not. I got to look at the.
A delay on there.
Yeah. Oh, there you go.
But
Good.
it just is amazing. Wally, so impressed, buddy. You really. So, he literally built the whole thing, 2-sided, and he sent me a picture of it hanging up on the building as well. Absolutely stunning sign. Great job, Wally. Next, John St. Dennis. So this is one of his first, and let's see, he didn't tell me how big it is, but I think it's pretty good size. But he made this for one of his clients. 200,000 followers on TikTok.
Hold it up just a little bit. Okay.
Right there?
Yeah.
Anyway, great job, John. Terrific work. Hopefully you'll get some work out of that if your client shows it on his channel. Maybe it'll bring you some work. All right, Tim Graves. This is a Dungeon and Dragons screen, I think, turning into carved signs. Tim has done, I've seen a couple of them that he did, and these are, the pictures don't really do it justice, I don't think, and they're kind of dark, so it's kind of hard to see. But these
Just
are
a
from
smidge.
D&D screens turned into carved signs.
Wow.
Great job, Tim. Beautiful work, buddy. All right, boys and girls, that is, yeah, I think that's about it. We got one announcement to make. Do we have any specific things on there, questions or anything I need to answer? Okay. So, do we want to make the announcement about Christmas being gone?
Yeah.
Okay. That's. We should
Well,
have talked about
I
that
thought
before.
it was about the cussing on the.
No. All right, so December 24th, which I believe is a Thursday, through December 27th, a Sunday, Vicki and I believe are going to be in California. So we won't be shipping any orders. Rachel is leaving town. She's going to spend some time with her in-laws and stuff. And so the December 24th, Christmas Eve, through that following weekend, which is like 4 days, we will not be shipping orders. We will be shipping orders on the 23rd. But if you order, you're going to order and everything will go out. We'll be back in business shipping stuff on the 28th, December 28th. That's the Monday. So I just want to, and I'll tell you guys again probably on Thursday, on Friday, on Saturday. We'll, tell you guys several times. But just so give you a heads up, if you want to, if you order, you're going to be a few days behind on that. Okay. Anything else?
No.
Okay. All right, you guys.
You guys can't tell, but Eric had a tooth pulled about 3 hours ago, so he's drooling a little bit.
Yeah, I am, and it probably would be red.
Yeah. So
I'm still leaking a little bit, but and the pain.
Frank said it's about time you all took time off. Yeah, I guess USPS, let's see, who was it? Darren Smith said, I think USPS has kidnapped my Black Friday package.
Oh, no. Who's that? Darren?
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So
okay.
we will be doing videos. I'll be posting videos during that time off, and we'll probably be doing a live now and again. I'm not sure, but I think we probably will. So that is it, boys and girls. We will be back on Thursday, hopefully with better sound.
Yeah, Matt Bay's got an ear infection. He's hurting too.
Oh, yeah, that smarts. Anyway, yeah, I had a tooth pulled and starting to feel the throb a little bit. So I feel your pain, Matt. I'm with you, buddy. All right, you guys, that is it. So keep sending those sign carvers of the day. I'm getting a pretty good stack again, so keep sending them. If you have questions, please email me, eric@makerwoodsign.com. And if you're seeing this, guys, on YouTube, you're seeing it probably a week after the fact. So I've been posting a lot of the Facebook Lives, especially in the last week or so. A lot of the Facebook Lives, rather than, because we just got so backed up with the whole Black Friday thing that I didn't have a lot of things going on. But now I'm kind of back in the swing, so we'll be having a project. Well, we'll be doing the thing on Thursday, and then a new project. Hopefully you'll be seeing videos on that on Monday. All right, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your patronage. And thank you for the love, guys. We love you. We'll see you. Oh, yeah, one other thing. Please, if you're seeing this on YouTube, please comment. Even if it's just a one-word comment, positive, hopefully. I'm learning that comments on the YouTube videos really helps the algorithm. So we can use all the help we can get.
Pam, I haven't had time to work on my table, but hopefully soon. It's driving me crazy. So
yeah, hopefully soon. All right, you guys, love you. We will see you guys on Thursday.
Bye, guys.
Have a great night. Bye-bye.